In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add days to dates in Google Sheets using a simple and efficient method. Start by selecting a cell with your date. Make sure it's properly formatted as a date so Google Sheets recognizes it correctly. Now go to a new cell where you want the updated date. Enter this formula equals A1 plus 1. This adds one day to the date in cell A1. You can change the number to anything you need. For example, use plus 7 to add a week or plus 30 to move a month ahead. Press enter and you'll instantly see the new date. If the result shows as a number instead of a date, just format the cell. Go to Format, then Number and select Date. This converts the result back into a readable date format. You can also use this with multiple rows by dragging the formula down to apply it across your dataset. That's it! Adding days to dates in Google Sheets is as simple as basic addition, making it easy to manage schedules, deadlines, and timelines.